my name's Anthony. I'm the Operational Director of Bridge Classic Cars here in Pedestry in Suffolk, and I'd just like to show you what's in our workshop today. So we're in the main workshop. This is where we will do lots of repairs, prepare cars for competition, servicing and maintenance. And we're quite busy in here at the moment. As you can see, there's a good variation of vehicles in here. To my right is an SS100, Jaguar SS100. It's been out with a customer. It's obviously using the vehicle for the summertime. He's now brought it back for us to do some commission work on it. And then it will go back into storage. So that's a nice, easy one. We've got the Rover 220 Turbo. That's in for, it was a competition vehicle. So that's just going through its process of PDI, making sure it's all good for the customer before he takes the vehicle away. We have a Citroen Saxo. This is Craig, the owner's vehicle. And on this one, we are doing a recommission of the vehicle. It's been in storage for a little while. We are obviously going through the car. It's had new brakes on it. It's had a lot of suspension work done on it, new cam belt, water pump, and we are waiting to do some welding on the rear seals for that. You may have seen this one before, the Maserati bi-turbo. It's in for recommissioning, restoration. It's going to be here for a while. There's lots of work to be done on it. It came with the engine not in the vehicle, so with that side of it, we are obviously putting the engines now back in, and we are obviously connecting it back up. But there's a hell of a lot of work to do on that one, so we'll continue with that one. We have, on this ramp here just beside me, is a TVA Chimera 500. Again, it's going to be a competition vehicle, so it's just going through the process of being checked to make sure it's all okay. Very clean car. The only thing we've really done on this one was an engine oil and filter change, and we found that the driver's side front wheel bearing was rough, so we've just literally this morning put a new wheel bearing on that. So that's that side of it done. We have got the Audi 72 in for a complete overhaul, restoration. It came out the body workshop must be about 10 days ago, and then we are in the position of refitting everything back into it. The paintwork's immense on this. The two-tone's really good, the black and the white. I think Lydia, our trim lady, has just been putting some new carpet into the vehicle today, while Dave, our technician's been putting the lights back in at the front and stuff like that. So yeah, this is kind of, from the wheels up it's done, it's just everything to go in, the engine, gearbox, and obviously the interior's all got to go back and the doors will go on at some stage. We come into a finishing workshop, and here, this is where we obviously finish the vehicles, what are in for restoration. At the present, we have a Jensen 541, which is, I'm going to say a percentage, most of it's 70% there. It's one of them ones which is going on nice smoothly. We've just had a load of parts delivered for it, so which is great. So this will, hopefully we're aiming to get this done end of the year, early part of next year, maybe. It just depends how well it goes. The Aston Martin 2.4 convertible. Literally put the engine in this morning. Not me personally, but Rob, our technician. Literally the engine and gearbox arrived after being sorted out through the engineers. And yep, that got put back in this morning, which makes a difference once you've got a hole what's filled. We have Aston Martin 2.4. Again, that's in for recommissioning, restoration. And again, it's been going smoothly. We have got a list of parts waiting to come from Aston Martin for that. We have our Austin 12.6, which was a competition vehicle. That's had its all PDI checked, and I believe it's been delivered to the customer on Thursday, which would be really nice to see. And then finally, we had a Jaguar turn up on Friday. Gentleman's bought it via an auction. Has got a list of jobs he'd like us to do, and we'll crack on with that at some stage. That's it. Thank you very much for looking into what we do here at Bridge Classic Cars.